Final video to fix low-resolution generative fill in Photoshop, and if you've been struggling with blurry or pixelated fills, you're not alone. Many users face this problem because Photoshop's default generative fill settings often limit the output resolution, making your images look soft or unclear. You might have tried other solutions on YouTube or social media, but they're usually long, confusing, and hard to follow. On Resized, I have a simple trick that boosts the resolution instantly without messing with complicated settings. All you need to do is adjust the hidden fill options and set the output to high resolution before generating your fill, and Photoshop will create crisp, clean images every time. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial, comment below, and I'll show you exactly how to do it in detail.